Howdy folks, Nathan Adel here at the Fast Lane Car, and behind me is the Subaru Crosstrek XV, but it's different because it's a hybrid, which means a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more torque, and better gas mileage. And guess what we're doing next? 0 to 60. Yes, indeed, this is the only hybrid Subaru makes, and it's hooked up to a 2-liter 4-cylinder boxer engine. Combined, horsepower is 160 and torque is 163. And it's all hooked up to a continuously variable transmission, a CVT, which Roman prefers because he's old and eats creamed corn, but I would rather a manual transmission option. Unfortunately, there isn't one. But I can tell you this, it puts out more power and more torque than the normally aspirated regular 2-liter, and on top of that, it gets better mileage. 29 miles per gallon city, 33 highway. So, I've learned a lesson. Don't throttle up, hold the brake, torque it before leaving. Just go flat and make it go. But I think it will be faster. We have to beat basically 13 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't know if I'm going to make it before the end of the... I didn't make it. I couldn't I couldn't get to 60 before the straightaway ended. That's a first. Jeez. Oh gosh. Alright, I'll have to try that again. Oh Jesus. I'm sorry guys. I really like the Subaru Crosstrek XV. I would own one. That's how good they are in snow, and actually pretty good little car off-road too. But they just don't have enough power. Actually, maybe? I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It's 40. Oh my God. I can't hit 60 before the end of the straightaway.
How far are you?
I was at 50.
Are you serious?
By the time I stopped here, I was like 55. I'm going to try one more time going the other way.
How about get a running start?
Well, then that's not 0 to 60. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Ah! Ah! This is take 4. Here we go. This time we had to go to the truck course. And away we go. There's no sport mode. Yeah, unfortunately the racetrack wasn't quite long enough. So we have this other place that we go to. Hey! That is notably faster than before. 11.51. 11.51. See that? Now, last time we did a 0 to 60 with the regular Subaru Impreza, which this is based on, it was nearly 13 seconds. It was like 12.8 seconds, which is one of the slowest vehicles we've tested. But I submitted even then that if it had the electric motor, it probably would be quicker. And indeed, I was right. 11.51, okay, look, it's not fast, but it's respectable. So, to summarize, the overall powertrain change for the hybrid is a good thing. Better mileage, better horsepower, better torque, and a better 0 to 60 time. I mean, it's over a second faster than the regular Impreza we tested. That's pretty damn good. So, anything in the 11 seconds zone up at high altitude, not too bad. Good car. Could be a great car, but it's a good car. For the Fastlane Car, this is Nathan Adlin, and I will see you next time.